Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing tracking so your retargeting has signal. Install the Facebook Pixel or Conversions API. This captures page views and events. Once done, build custom audiences from those website visitors and specific events like add to cart. Make sure to choose relevant time windows. Connect your Instagram account to Business Manager so ads run cleanly. This is the first actionable step. Get accurate data flowing, verify events in Events Manager, and move promptly to audience refinement. Now you segment and design campaigns. Create audience cohorts by behavior and recency, 7, 30, 90 days, or by value so messaging fits intent. Next, set the campaign objective, conversions for purchases, traffic for discovery, or catalog sales for dynamic product ads. Then design creative that aligns with each cohort. For recent shoppers, use stronger offer language. For window shoppers, show social proof. Once audiences and creatives are paired, set budgets, placements on. You finish by launching, optimizing, and knowing how to fix problems. Start with small/B tests and monitor CTR, CPA, and ROAS over a 3 to 14-day window so results stabilize. Then iterate. Shift budget to top performers, tweak bids, swap creative, or expand audiences with lookalikes. If things go wrong, first check Pixel event health, attribution windows, and ad approvals. These are the common culprits. Finally, make sure to document changes and retest. Continuous cycles deliver the best retargeting outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.